After your Salesforce admin has added the Covideo integration to your Salesforce account, open the lead or contact that you'd like to send a video to. Then, switch to the Covideo tab and log into your account. Here, you can insert an existing video into the email or record and add a new one. Clicking Add Video brings up your Covideo library, where you can search through your videos and navigate between folders. When you've found the video you want to send, just select it. Now, select the landing page, calls to action, and thumbnail you want to use and click Done. The video will appear in the body of the email. To create a new video, click Record Video. You can choose to record your webcam, screen, or both at the same time, as well as selecting your camera and microphone sources. For webcam recording, select the webcam option. To begin your video, click Start Recording, then wait for the countdown. Hit Stop Recording when you're done. Now you can preview your video, start over, or if you're happy with it, give it a title and upload it. Then, like before, select your landing page, calls to action, and thumbnail. The video will then be uploaded to your library and automatically added to your email. For a screen recording, select the option you want to use. Then choose the screen, application window, or tab you want to record. You can move and resize your webcam for optimal placement as well. When you're ready, click Share and wait for the countdown. Once you're done, click the Stop button. From this point, the process is the same as with the webcam videos. Now that your video is in the email, just fill out the rest of the message and send it off. Additionally, clicking on the gear and selecting Settings will open some more options for you to change, including video quality. All Covideo activity will appear in the Activity tab, showing when the email was sent, when the lead or contact viewed the video, and any calls to action they clicked. More in-depth analytics can be accessed as well. You'll be able to see any videos you've sent to that particular lead or contact in the past, along with stats on total views, average engagement, and call to action clicks for each video. Clicking on the title of any video in this list allows you to dig deeper into the details. For instance, Hotspots shows which sections they watched more than once, and the Calls to Action tab shows exactly which ones they clicked on and when. In addition to lead tracking, the Covideo integration for Salesforce also comes with a dashboard of pre-built reports, allowing you to deep dive into your sales data. This dashboard shows an aggregated view of all Covideo activity for your entire team, allowing you to see how video is impacting your pipeline, identify which opportunities are most likely to close, monitor trends, and improve forecasting. You can also see who on your team is winning with video to help inform strategies and best practices. You can also customize your dashboard and build additional reports to fit your needs by clicking on the Edit button.